So guys, we're going to Bulacan. So I don't have a video of it. So I have a clip again. So I will show you it's just 1 or 2 clips. Okay? Enjoy it right now. I'm gonna show you. Ito, Valenzuela pa lang.
I think Mindanao Avenue.
Mindanao ba? Binuksan na lang namin yung bintana para tipid sa gas. Oh,
Sobrang laki sa yun. Sobrang laki ng bukas.
okay lang yun. Kay Lolo nga, tignan mo todo.
Buti dito tayo pinag-shooting.
Halos ako lumangoy. Pwede kaya ako lumangoy ba?
Kahit na may ano ba? Hanggat may tubig pa. Send mo kay Cesar. Buti, nakaalis na tayo. Baka lumalim. Ano yung maingay?
Grabe, tumataas. So guys, did you enjoy it? So, you did see in the video, there's so much traffic. So, we came to Bulacan, in Malolos, we came 6 o'clock there. And then we leave Bulacan 9 o'clock because we cannot leave because the high tide. It's high tide. So, also guys, I'm gonna tell you the fart bomb video, it's not gonna be posted because my fart bomb already bombed. So, bye-bye guys. See you in the next one. Peace.